partner. Without partner, can I speak English? Yes, you can practice alone English speaking. If you are alone at home, how can you speak English alone at home? You can speak if you have courage to learn any language. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. I hope you are all good, and if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon, जिससे कि आपको आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे और आपको इंग्लिश के बारे में सारी नॉलेज मिलती रहे। सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव माई इंग्लिश अलोन एट होम। Yes, you can. If you have courage, you want to learn. This is challenging, but you can if you have courage. Because we learned Hindi also. Like if we listen any language, we can learn from childhood. We listen Hindi, then we speak and we learn. We can speak fluent Hindi also if we practice. It depends on practice because practice makes perfect. If you do practice of anything, you can do anything. So how can you do practice? You can talk with yourself, you can make conversation with yourself, you can ask question, you can give answer, you can make you can ask introduction, you can ask whatever you want, ask to yourself. You have to give answer with yourself. No one is looking you, no one is interrupting that how are you speaking. So you can practice better alone. So after fluenting, you can conversation with others. So there is one tip is that you can make conversation with yourself and you can talk with yourself, ask question, make conversation with yourself. You can put any topic and you can discuss on that topic. You can put your views on that and disagree, agree, you can put. So second point is that you can describe any picture. Look, take any picture, you have to describe what can you see in that. Like that, there is one picture, I can see there one child that is playing with ball, and one tree is there, and one lady is standing there. Like this, you have to describe that what is going on with that picture, and you can. There are many things at your home. You can describe on daily basis what can you see. You can describe things also, and you can read newspaper. Third point is that you can read newspaper, magazines, and any you can paragraph. You can narrate any paragraph. You can read any moral book, any English book, and you can story book and novels. You can read. There are many books in English. You can read, and you can, if you are not getting any word, you can write on notebook and you can search, and you can learn by reading books. You will get vocabulary. You will get new words. You will get that phrases. Many things you will get by reading. So you will get pronunciation. You have to read loud. By that your speaking will improve. If you speak loud, you speak that you are reading, you are speaking loudly. By there are two benefit of that. Your reading is improving or your speaking will also improve. And pronunciation, you have to check what is pronunciation of the. If you are not understanding any pronunciation, you can check in dictionary that you have to pronounce correct that. Then your vocabulary and your pronunciation both will correct, and you have to your intonation and your pace all will be correct if you are speaking loud, if you are reading loud. So, and next point is that you can watch movies, shows, and anything, cartoons you can watch and with the text. You have to watch with text and you have to read that, and you have to pause and watch read that and pause. If you have read it, you have to start again. So you have to do like this. If you are not getting anything, you can write on your notebook. It will work. And next point is that if you are able to now speak, somehow you are able to speak, you can make online video, you can call online, and you can make video call with anyone that is native speaker, and you can make with conversation, and you can get your feedback. How was you, and where was you wrong? By that you can check your mistake, and you can check that where were you wrong. So you have to talk, and your confidence level will be also grow. If you conversation with any stranger, so your confidence level will be able to speak. You can speak with anyone now. You will be fluent if you are doing practice like this. And there are many apps for reading, writing, listening. You can practice on that app. That will help you for reading, writing, listening. They will improve your writing, reading skills. All will help you for improving and getting fluent. And there is ChatGPT also. You can work on that. You can ask any question that you can read that. By that your vocabulary will also improve. If you ask any question to ChatGPT, there your vocabulary will improve. You can make what are you going to do that next week, so you can discuss about that. What are you going to do next week, so you can discuss about that with yourself at home. So if you do like this daily routine, your English speaking will be improved, and you can be a fluent English speaker. If you are doing like this practice, it will make you a good English speaker. So if you want to do practice like this, so you are going to be a good English speaker. You can talk about daily routine. What do? You have to speak loud. What are you doing that time? You can talk in English. You have to talk in English. There is any child at your home, you can talk with that. You can say that do this in English. So it will work, and you will be a fluent speaker. You can see changing every month in yourself. After you can check that you are going to fluent in 1 year. Very fluent. If you are doing practice alone at this type, you can see more people are there. They are doing practice alone. They have no any partner for practicing. You can do also like this. If you are going to do, you can improve your English. You can watch any. You can record your voice in audio and listen that wherever you wrong, you can correct yourself. Again record. Again audio recording will also help, and you can listen. How much you can listen, it will also improve your speaking. So if we listen, it get ideas, it get thoughts, and you have to imaginary. What you imagine, you have to write. You have to speak. I imagine this. You have to imagine any story. You have to talk about that story. If you got, please like my channel, like my video, and subscribe my channel. You are not subscribing, you are only watching. Watch but subscribe also. Please subscribe and support